ยุบไม่เทียกันแน่แน่และเกลียเย
Melbet, something you can bet on.
Betutwal wafoyo Melbet afoyo Joli afoyo yin mi nini bedo nene One World TV a Joli magway wami to wakenen story pa Rugby Cranes pa show Rugby Cranes of course gitugu migi ku Algeria tugune kadamalinga kechango ujumu neno show mwami chingavusiel bar pa One World Extra watemo kami analysis pa Algeria ni Algeria inwangni agiti a little bit physically fit and then kom gideti matek tutwal compared to team mwa me Uganda. Maybe probably dana munge Washington you maybe wokorachi guma kodong en sama gidogi. But well, as we say right now, akena team ita akeling into this conversation dong ni position of Uganda failing or falling I mean from World Rugby. Mono nyurungo in terms of strength a team and then motivation a team may performing internationally.
Itubora because dropping ranking internationally, a team and pressure.
Okay.
So then I itubora a motivating factor about team because can any drop your call, you need pressure coaches you know pressure or to go in economy a bit Guinea. So team prepare board qualifying Guinea. Do go into the tournament, they have to go in a bear into the tournament. Again, Uganda do change, a rank is get dropped.
Banang, you know, like that. Because no better getting number Pierre when we are chair, it will belong. Every man in China don't drop a gingy or don't get number Pierre beach we are chair, it will belong. Mono places apart. They have dropped 10 places. Now, of course, losing goals Pierre Rio, we are Rio against Algeria. Uganda shooting new more goal hapara biche Algeria more goal Pierre Rio. It I don't want to agree with you, Nick. No, that
Algeria truly Algeria take. It's a difference I don't. Pierre Rio hapara biche. But any take your go Uganda nura New York and perform your bad will overloro and Guinea rank is not going. But Uganda take a considering in a game by game. Mirchari Gino paper rankings, do a better pressure. Parka winning against a meeting Yimgi, working tournament, the Hotunu tournament, to give to Hogi, you're out of the group stage, and then rank can improve you. I'm very confident.
Okay, anyway, the advantage tia bet to Twani Uganda, Kere Algeria, do you gain when you're qualifying the next stage. So, Mono Nyuruni, Uganda has to work so hard. Joe can tip in ranking ma rugby jo timu in jo ticket format aduong, jo neno to who, my to who. And then jo neno ni kumtuhume tuhu ni lawyer ni then look at home advantage can win jo neni and then of course ranking tibin of course Uganda me where Algeria ugoyogi definitely ipash moreover where hogin dropping to no seriously. Now mono team Uganda. Now what goes straight away to Sekafa under 23 weekend waberu action pack of course chair icheng chabit. Sawa ma Uganda Cranes, I mean, sawa ma Rugby Cranes, good lady Rugby Cranes give it tugu, icha dondo. Yo kucha yor bar, barneji longu bar, ginde give it tugu. Uganda under 23, that is the Cobs. Unfortunately, tugu pa Uganda work 0-0. Sheng wun kakae, wun koda Alexander Kidi, now I have you two. Here, near Uganda, Bishop Ugoyo pare, uchiwo to para wote with DRC Congo felele kumeni. Angwa mutimere, what happened?
Guinea team Ethiopia story about
there's nothing
Guinea one of the most boring games Amaneno me Uganda to who
yes.
But against
Congo
against DR Congo and under 23 two bora kita neno kere coach team ban formation no por wate kere we are to one to hamejo kere por wate kere we are to pero raw questioning coach because kai team the results pero mixing Derek Kakoza kere Steven Mukwala yanyi John gindu yutumo gile same position gindu go box to box striker ka ngao ma your goal idi rekano ni tikere Steven Serwada de Derek Watambala kede Bobos.
Okay.
Kari team gini ni ngo Joshua Boda dom gino ko yenyim kaya.
So ke ye kong a jol kong Alexander Okiri. Alexander Okiri? Itieni ning.
Something like chocolate.
Duoni peti a be tutual. Weight lifter. Keting kong duoni maro. O min so chitole ko. Jalwe. Wun cheng cha beru wajo kakan erni DRC Congo ubufuo Uganda bufuodo DRC Congo wada mati foru nyere. Ngomo time.
Anto pa wajo ba?
I wajo.
Anto wajo.
Ini wajo ni Ngoro Tanzania.
Ana wajo ne. Ana wajo ni turu wa eni obuberu for learning opportunity bodlo Uganda. Piani no turu wa eni putbe ya tien ko mi turu ka tel piani chek manyan magekero eni putong wajo under 23. Mami oni eni food Uganda ti jar ka temo tiangi. Ma anyani man football birukar mo mi wa chak timo wa atiki genni genmo timani the learning opportunity bodlo Uganda bwe kwa so ko chak yenyo chemistry mina na nga gen ka nga ma olu to matching ma be defense e midfield ka kelki yata
Ineno challenge Uganda beru kwene tactically and technically.
Prepare for Uganda ma dito berutie tutwale midfield.
Yeah.
Nyo to dilo midfield energy engine mituro dilo.
Yeah.
Kai mero to dilo mot midfield energy dictating. Kai mero to dilo speed midfield as energy dictating tempo of the game. We could deal with vertical goal, no wing arc in midfield. Vertical protecting defense, no wing arc in midfield. So midfielders for Uganda, good work at Town, near Gibit Guaco and to passes Maramo Kelugolo, Obel Katia Bob Matanyime.
Okay.
Pianica or to pay time with a bit more, he pay more to Waramuko Komataka. Erkenan both to Uganda would deal with career midfield and to creativity, Mekaranim. Udile poberkie mabeji ma ulo toka wani kemi mabeti bara.
Well,
so when you break was so defensively for the team mabe go clean sheet. Attackers and team midfield they need to work hard. Menani forward passes ma make good quality ma ulo to ramu ke goal bot yo mutanyimi.
Afo Alexander adugu bor doke line doing line kenyu. Kirama Uganda obuchar ka toko en Uganda biro ki friendlies. Kingdom me Saudi Arabia. Go bergi to Rio to Rachel Uganda go draw mono ngatu marla wore pere then to makochelo ki goya Uganda goya. So it ngoma mole bie kwa so poe ufonye mabe itamani absence basangwa ka Rachel ki mugulusi and affecting the technical and tactical selection team pa coach bie kwa so chama
ani tubo kila neno kede coach leja tukutuhuke ne mara pia tukuni hiyo mi coach tukutuhuke ne because the defense central defender mejo tuhukana tupita magambo kede Musa Ramadan gile proven defender au Peter Magambo very shaky defender na hikesi neno Peter Magambo kila kwa miel kede so and defensive partnership.
Is he trying to please his bosses? KCC, yeah, pleasing bosses. Probably can use players make KCC.
No one knows because it depends on your partnership. Gavin, kede Musa.
Yes.
Johnny two in mature defense. But Peter Magomo ngata mekome miel very shaky. Kama Musa je tuko namba beach. Namba ngweni chao can expect wora nyim. O Peter Magomo ena no don ko chen kano. Like I don't think Judas Poloto Miro featuring for Uganda instead jene. Papa bole Julius Poloto been injured the whole season for KCCA.
I know.
Petro war Julius Poloto just starting. Atu hume KCCA meno arochwa ko chaka woro obero Serwada Steve kede goalkeeper.
Yes. Lukwago Kadea.
Yes, Lukwago. Kede in next game ate kape coach me dropping between one of the two. Kape me dropping either Derek Akoza, you dropping Mukwala.
All right.
Johnny, two strikers, box to box striker.
All right. Alexander, lastly, ati kukeri kanini. Uganda katiki chances make miero qualifying to semi-finals. Uganda miero utukere miero go Tanzania. Is it possible? Can Uganda twergo Tanzania? In kititi neno kere?
Yes, Sarah, can we pocket the things that were local come to Uganda? I'm not talking about Kara come to Uganda or Magano Saudi Arabia. Il level mit Europa Saudi Arabia no pepor che level mit Europa Uganda. Ento Uganda porti mo mabe to reone. Mana line up anel poloto team midfield angiani bal tie bodlo Uganda. Eron ya yi kitampa kana ni poloto no mier po team midfield piana war berka yele the whole season po berka turo polle bot KCCA. Ento kamatama bu ko ye ena ye defense bu turo mabe nio il leur turo dilo. As long as they took don't play conceding goal, no one ball ki we tell defender. Nobody don't play blend double jacket don't keep midfield military attack ni midfielders eronikono what give it a new forward movement be kini fair be dikit matene no coach maybe could be adapted a defensive tactic. Me what you keep midfielders ni won't know deal hold the ball instead of distributing the ball to wingers to run and attack. So that means coach need to revise the tactic.
Alexander, because what you're fighting time, chances are Uganda may go Tanzania tikweni.
Now, any of two madam Taknoya. Yani level me under 23 and Tanzania Taknoya of Uganda. Where the things are watching Kamaleng me, man will be a learning opportunity of Uganda will go with active group stages. What will be the next tournament? We shall do better. But for this one, and then I'm for Uganda parent.
All right. For it's of course, Uganda to kere Tanzania on Sunday. They have enough time to rest. Chawatie mewe or tutwal. Uganda take a to her bench. Of course, you look at a person like Abdallah Salim. He's a very good creative midfielder. You're on bench, you're benching Abdallah Salim. You're asking yourself why. Then, of course, Joken Tiapenya Lukwago. Every time, even to Hotina Tino, that Lukwago must be in goal. When are you going to give Saidi Kenny and team chances of growing up? These are young boys. I think Lukwago should be left to concentrate Kereja down to 12.
Gino kana maneno. Bale AFCON 2020.
Yes.
Naibiega. Utuka ber dere kakoza. Man Steven Mukwala tira habinu daro akodo wire yo game tina team.
Anyway, mono Ugandan coaches for you. So chao kene if we are really negative about them, your town ko margi. Onen kong straight away story kene tikere Arua Hill tikere try to attend ne game dang tiame to beefing up their squad so much. But to humo luoni Agao Rashid Karatiel kere Alfred Leku Muzei Wakazi. Apoyo Alfred Leku Express Football Club. By the Express, Omiero Jome Alfred Leku a lifetime pangyo, what should I call it? Award Doromir Betie because Kano Poberepe Alfred Leku today Express Football Club no mere very big league. So Alexander Chakeri Agao Rashid, Alfred Leku, when Tiamito laying them off, Rua Hill. Mira Rua Hill team, so that Ginda better bet to 12 lasting in so long in a league, unlike Team Mamegwa, Chalopa, the Black Angels who season at Chelga and then the pact.
Anero Mabe, Rua Hill, laying off to Rapar.
Yes.
Ginmati, you put your demand for you. Ki kitma Aston Villa binu kercho wiru tu rapare la wachele kawada po tu English Premier League maginum promotion bin kercho and to still tu en la wine pago timo mo Arua Hill potamni kel tu rapare kel manyan energy bokon gwakogi. Football is about coordination ma eroni balko tipo da magente ka timo en mago ber ka tu tebe aki big league ono miaro kong pe kerona ka kwanya ki wa ata ngani enna yuberdu tugo magutu ka tin golo anya pe club ba ko ke club waro magin matie mierno ko ke gwa ku tugo mabejo gobet matie ki nan kong mitke do odo ke la rio mo the only thing man ko team enemy wano coach babe the staff gobet team babe en to ka o comme le tugo no mier ko ke ko comme season o to ko o diere no ina ke roba opponent magin te league ke de nan ko in ko gor ni tika ko ne then in the bino do takko ne Mir wajing defense, mir wajing midfield, mir wana attack. Parce que comme du foot fait tour mo, il t'a uploading du tour.
Alexander Kiri, aniti yani Mbabazi. Livingston Mbabazi. Awori Arua Hill.
En bachon ko coaching do parka.
Enondo paraka do ena woru left right center. Adwo. Aluru wanyi gi ma wotu ri dwogo se. Ginora tie.
He's a nomadic coach.
Nomadic coach.
Mbaba di ilon ke ka wen. Woru kabir wen kilo Uganda local coaching. And to peda ko US total peda ko timo gina be. There's nothing extraordinary mada ko timo.
Okay.
So gimakie arwa hi kumgipo miel mejer ka kela la ko yoro. Gukcha ka kong kado o mid season kado team evaluation team ma megitira ni ka kwen ma meta yuba ka kwen ma team be then they are going in the right direction. But ya ko dong from the beginning don't come are going to mess up.
Okay, akeli kon Kenyo straight away. Leku is not a clinical striker. Mani it were relying kome. Itamani Arua Hill kaja tia me to releasing Leku no geno timu gene balor.
No. I want to Arua Hill. Arua Hill ticket squad abe squad obe ka squad uji.
Me UPL.
Me aneno gi big league. Ba squad yoruba squad uji squad tiyo ko squad petu UPL. Kai we no tino jago passes. You know Stevenson wada geta gero passes, Mugulu si geta gero passes. Johnny Uji yini all within 30 minutes no game you tumuko. So Arua Hill at the start of the season. Arua Hill ya de sign.
No, is there Agao Rashid. Leku is also there.
Arua Hill ya de sign to Pierre Uyangwen. Uji Pierre Uyangwen. One of the Mamotu Franco Ringa. Jojo as a goalkeeper. So you know sign to Pierre Uyangwen balo geni chena a lot of money. And we need to hachela charge your signing not less than $1 million. Money big league.
Now muzai wakazi agina ni nyenga. Gena utuhu KCCA Football Club, a legend of KCCA. Okuti. Siza Okuti.
Siza Okuti kanu dan biri kwa lira.
Yes.
Wadi muhumuza mandi otu in 1990s. So kutu tingena dwa.
No, 2000, no 1990.
Jote engage to Arua Hill.
Okay.
Arua Hill designing you to. But unfortunately, peha megino timo giri. Omio gino to bonien only 1 year contract. Utuko dushu. Take you to ni pressure take ni promote wa uni Super League. So to ni beroka pressure promote Super League. Money chani and contract to ni tumuko.
So way forward tiningo.
Way forward here Arua Hill gino gita mina machero bero coach. Because impero chako.
Mbaba zipetu wera konyogi.
Be barumba zi put po bero coach Arua Hill po coach mbara sita Arua Hill chani put pegere coach.
Okay.
You ametika no put ya gama linginika. So Arua Hill komir nun coach. Coach te biru te team assessing go to Uji ametika no. Edu je ineka wargi UPL. Ya keta Arua Hill ya relegating half season 2.
Alexander Kidi.
Yeah.
My weight lifter.
Yeah.
Arua Hill ticket Aranoni pay more different from Onduparaka in terms of funds and funds involvement. Local funds me lutu ungi sufuria mamigingo mani inwangnya management per club umako managers team gain but inwangnya funds mamwami West Nile and some of those things affecting Paida Black Angels so much affecting some Onduparaka season mashia de Karama Villa Goyogi. You see, Gibekaria Mukoch, Kunupiara. So Iparnia local funds could be one of the factors. Umiero Arua Hill Neni.
Local funds for Burkina Faso. Football club more can matigi fan base matter. Club enono buchung matter.
Okay.
Yarwa more the Parka football club you have to tell it was because of funds. Soccer club Villa in Traoni. Caribbean ticket trophy and the photo you have comedy because of the strong fan base. Manuti went to the Kubet Maber, mere fan base Kubet Mater.
All right.
Support like the Camino to Parka, fan man been when army of box a chain, Arabic transport for to beach, Arabic Camino Guinea fans, Matia, good Julu, the Parka, Carmino, Gimo, Putbe. Matutwara kum chante mena ne club running mabe Arua Hill kumbertika biona nyone ken dikila lawnyo.
Okay.
Ma all to tiki chante they may not need much from fans but ginna gimero energy support from fans in terms of nerone home ground tenant to Yarua no down to Matipong Meter ka supporting team mamaki karbe de la lonne no tal institution e wang maromo ke indoor club sur le tour facilitating training transport wang interport am ni andong premier fans bi di teg ma ko de tour.
Okay, Alexander, story pa Arua Hill watwero logo wa bicho wecho paka bir wa mashingu podu don wa metu don wa kene lemo ma piretek wa ka shidi Ulaya wa ka yidu ndege wa shidi Ulaya wa kene transfer nyoke gossips manyi lungu logambo ma egeti logambo club ramadon gamo ugamti mangoni ugam nyuti wakale manda Arsenal utie rede mimi you send ni Sao Saulo club pajara tugu majulungu niya Locatelli mo winning European Championship Chelsea Italy and then of course Chelsea Football Club benetia me to exchanging Chelsea's, by the way, Alexander Kidi's club. Chelsea Chamiro exchanging Hudson Odoi Keratu Hukene. Akena, I think let me start with you. Arsenal Keremu Konogam Majaba Guinea. Carino their community they are willing to 40 million shillings. Do you think Arsenal are pulling Chente no?
Atu Haginja Kobuni Sassuolo midfielder Lacoteli. Jodunyo Mala Lacoteli team Euro 2020. I think level la Lacoteli per to Arsenal to Barra. Lacoteli chan in terms of better club amount to Europa or to Champions League. Them the club are deep.
Okay.
So I don't think Lacoteli wrong fitting Arsenal. Kerichene no Lacoteli been for 30 million Arsenal chene no TTD. 40
million pounds. All right.
So Lacoteli I don't think wrong bin Arsenal. Lacoteli had a better offer. Kere team already did. Getting Mukatia one straight up to that team. No Arsenal.
Alexander Kiri in kere Arsenal kere Hudson Odoi. Me whatever.
Abir tu itwa da maniu so kara weekend Arsenal guye kama Ben White Milan ton piara big keyboard Brighton. Una Afrika pia priority per com Manuel Locatelli ma per tuwa tu Euro 2020. Afrika na natawa Arsenal penyo kama priority mamagiti ye because Arsenal had the third best defensive record in season Mokaro after Man City and Chelsea. Manuti goberu key defense mabe kada otiroka spending tena madiete comme defender Manuti Arsenal penyo magimero.
But Zaka is going. Zaka uworoko.
Zaka is a midfielder. Zaka take a midfield.
Yes.
Then Sebelo Zaka midfield. Martin Odegaard aki midfield. Manuti compete Thomas Partey don kana defensive midfield. Arsenal mero at least attacking midfielder mo akel mabe yaniko berjo wala futiri. Smith Rowe Futi, Arsenal need a senior attacking midfielder, Mati creative Mabe Bunanga Well Major. Or no mere 27 million pounds, Matukero, Ikom William Saliba, Uture London Marareo. Mara Durkar, Catata Nukelo, William Saliba, Meleo Kaka David Lewis, Manco Kidwako, and Lon, what must say. Arsenal million pound Pierre Big earning, when the American spending in midfield. Not defense, mobile.
So Locatelli mono deal mo wang po bokonyo gitutwal.
Because that you will Locatelli premier bin Arsenal, mere Juventus.
All right.
Now, kai ni ke chona nya er premier na mokane. Ti kerli mili maromane. Bodla yurine. Ka nya premier fanya pe.
Okay, okiri wo ko Chelsea, wa wedong Arsenal. Chelsea benetia mito swapping. Hudson Odoi, pingo unu tu mito swapping, unu pe ke de chente.
Now, the swap deal, I don't know, ni ma adjani tarapati. Right now, Chelsea mero striker kekan. Because Odoi over the tour, mabe ramuturo wing back position, Odoi ramuturo wing. Na kumbe the Kingsley Coman is a winger. Wana tincha Akim Gies Oturo go la there and can from the wing. Aya kunobe kitu chenwa tigi kimo wana mafurbi turo ke wing, Nelson Mount kai avatie Odoi be futier wing for Chelsea apart in wakabir wanke rich. Midfield for Chelsea timabe. Defense for Chelsea timabe. Chelsea mero kana tura ke lekan kere million pound ni Chelsea arabi go kwan du kerry e comme Hurricane nyogu Chelsea mi bot Dortmund e comme Alex Braut Alan e ke Chelsea mero striker can fed up winger more make enough you do it. The no winger ki winger.
Guangyo maybe Tamani winger chani is more experienced than Hudson Odoi.
Pour Kingsley Coman qui va y avoir peut-être.
All right.
No.
Akena, nuodo tutte ko kere story in mega transfer intermittent ngo kom Adson Odoi in the opinion ti chel ngo mi ro Chelsea team.
Adson Odoi like Kingsman i Chelsea Adson Odoi apera obero probo starter. Kelo koma ni Chelsea pe kwa because Kai Havertz jodishingo nga Kai Havertz emo Timo Werner donyu from the other wing.
Yes.
So I konyare pe mono gin tia mitu ginika making a news niti mitu gina exchanging. Eta tu kama Chelsea tia mitu kita mo kirugo obero Alan. Pien Hurricane tia mitu wori Man City. Tia mitu gina Alan. Te Chelsea ronung Alan job do not possible Chelsea.
So Chelsea tia mitu Haaland more?
Yeah, tia mitu gina.
So for you think Haaland is better than Hudson Odoi? Moro Dilo
of course to who in position up and Kelly Hudson Odoi da pera probo starter. Strikers
and Haaland, you know, from Borussia Dortmund.
And Haaland.
By the way, you Annie German, I support so much Borussia Dortmund. And Enubero Kindana Weha and Achua Borussia total so much.
Yeah, Jessica and winning go binu na hedi Lewandowski, Karaoga Mogi Lewandowski, Rokonyogi, Lewandowski wala Rokonyo Jesse. It Hudson Odoi da pera was starter. Chelsea ticket a very good midfield. Chelsea ticket organized na defensively. Okay. So Chelsea tia mito ngatori kena mero converting those goals. Pien crosses maro bina tutwali yubila Chelsea kabe observing both penetrating kere long crosses.
Alexander.
Yes.
Utiki chente Mikel Muzei wakazi Lewandowski nuodo tiho kere.
Lewandowski mwa Pierre de Guerrero kirka timu mwa kiluteno. No.
Uti strengthen in the squad.
No, all we need is a striker from Lewandowski. Don't see why we go with you, Dino. Now, he's almost retiring. Mwa Pierre de Guerrero. You know they compete. Kanya na tuko patience ni kimwa na mapiro mwan Kai Havertz kudwa Pierre de Guerrero, Mason Mount mapiro Guerrero. And when kudwa appear below 25.
Okay.
And Chelsea kituru mwa madwong kegwa ko dino mo gene eno na noni perkin mo bitima eno benetia ni angin target for Chelsea to come striker kid can enter Dortmund Alan again. Alternatively Hurricane gramo kwanya bi mo can pair because he's a proven striker. Lewandowski kegwa bayan be kubi ye chato.
Anyway.
Man City.
Topia kono. Trippier.
Anga
Trippier. Kieran Trippier.
Trippier.
Hey.
Trippier, maybe you get to Botman, you know, don't kill Lazari. No, don't kill Lazari. Man, you can do it. Aaron Wan-Bissaka is one of the most reliable right back.
Oh, okay.
Actually, the national team of England, I was surprised, speaking one. And so, very poor going forward.
Yeah.
This is my mega petit mabello. Kidong, the running, Ramukier, and to Duga, and so the guy is very reliable. Take care of to Jimmy Map and I'm a beer or Maki Bioni. Or Bomaki ma taking defenders, ma negative mistake at the top. How Timotai marking Bomaro, ma winger, and the Pelbo Yang Matwal.
All right.
So, and Merpeti, and he's a traditional right back. He's not a modern right back who can run and attack and defend at the same time. He's primarily a defender. Matki Merno Wako, not ma antika map from your common goal. So, Manju Tika Kilo Trippier and Timongo. Mapun competi Aaron Wan-Bissaka bale could pay.
All right. Itiginati mi to medo kom Kieran Trippier.
Kieran Trippier pero ko nyamanyu. Kene na England. Pero cha kuna England. In England I think they are better because Wan-Bissaka bear lona Trippier go. So ini yaide ro cha ko ro penyu ngata me atuga me yiti kere do bear lo unless tigini kere miri me cha to Wan-Bissaka. So I don't think Trippier wrong take Pimanu unless I would give it to for a better number 2 Amelo Wan-Bissaka.
So to me to signing out Alexander in a second ngo mitwero ko bidano to me to the work studio ichani ko work program mo kana mir da donyi studio.
Kakare. Apo to 12 the dramatic na One TV jin mapier ta NNE Olympics. Era i tuo mami ya donc nan kitno wakoro ke Premier League season manya.
Aya bera for yes Akena.
Poi tutwaljua monene wa team Mel Betinu kelo wakara chel. Bedo kele loka Paul Sekafa Uganda kuja tuku Tanzania umeda nyoyo ke chwa national team kado kwa wanyo jopo kwa.
Okay, for you, Magwe Dano Cheke Mo Bedo Kanen, Wakudi Zumbo. This weekend, Ilango Sub-Regional Choli teach when me Rupin, Radio Rupin, watch over Mr. Jue, Patience Gingahagi, or for a one or two Kabeni, Onen, One World Television. Of course, star of the day, Obero, and none other than Captain of Rugby, Lady Rugby Queens, Nye Obero, Peace Lekuru, Utuha Bet 12, Obero Kere Tries Arama Rio, Etuhumono to Hukarachel Kere Zimbabwe Chadondo, Ching Sando Beru Tikani, Anyo Beru Adom Sarah aka Super Lady, Iron Lady, Wanendong Dihi, no Melbet, Hokelwa Melbet, for Tutual, and Nakani, where no betting tips, Abepe Tutual, Buruna Bear, camera persons when Tiukere, Wafoyo, Bamedugum.
Yup matie kabino, la kelia ye.
Melbet, something you can bet on.